Alright then guys, there's the three things that we learned, mean, median, and mode. They're used a lot. There's actually a whole class that just focuses on that. We call it statistics. And so we have it in high school or college, whatever you guys want to take it. The focus is on that. So we, like in foundations, we barely touch it. We covered all three already. So for today, we're going to review. The first 10 questions are find the mean. And then we remembered for the mean, we had to add all the numbers. So let me get a calculator. For your quiz tomorrow, make sure you guys have a calculator as a calculator only. So I'm going to add all my numbers. 5736 plus 5798 plus 5832 plus 7622 plus 7725 plus 7889 plus 8826 plus 9751 plus 10,331 plus 11,335. So I add everything and it gives me 80,845. 80,845. Like I said, I added everything. That's basically what I did. I added everything, and I'm going to divide this by how many numbers I have. There's 10 numbers, so let me divide this by 10. 80,845 divided by 10 gives me 8,084.5. Okay, just divided by 10. So the first 10 questions are only find the mean. Let me do question number 2. I'm going to add my numbers. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus 12 plus 12. I get 63. So I added everything. It's 63. And I'm going to divide by how many numbers I have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 63 divided by 9 gives me 7. Do keep in mind that some of them might be decimals, like in number 1. Like number 1 was a decimal, so some of them might be decimals. Any questions for the first 10? Number 4? Alright, looking at question number 4, let me add all the numbers. 180,500 plus 186,500 plus 190,900 plus 195,500 plus 197,200 plus 199,100 plus 206,100 plus 209,100 plus 210,700 plus 214,600. So if I add everything, it gives me 1,990,200. And I have to divide this by 10 because there's 10 numbers. So it's gonna give me 199,020. Right, I divided by 10 because there's 10 of them. Sometimes the mean is the one that is used a lot. Average is another name for mean, like your grade point average. But sometimes the mean is not good. Because imagine I was to bring, let's say Ezekiel Elliott, the football player. I was to bring him over, and I wanted to come and say, well, how much did we all win? So we add all the everything that we win, everything, how much money we make a month. But because Ezekiel Elliott makes a lot, and then we divide it evenly, I will come and say we all make a lot of money. Even though I don't think any of you guys work, we will say all of us make a lot of money because Ezekiel Elliott will obviously bring it up a lot. So sometimes a mean is not a good number unless the numbers are pretty close to each other. Like I said, you guys will look more into it in statistics if you guys decide to take that class. Let me wait for this thing. It just froze for a minute. Oh, there we go. All right, any other questions for the first 10? All right, now for the median, looking at question number 11, median, find the median. I'm looking for the number in the middle. So what I'm going to do, all right, so I guess this thing has a mind of its own today. Okay, so looking at the median, I'm going to cancel the smallest number and the biggest number. And I'm trying to make my numbers, my list smaller. So again, let me cancel the smallest and the biggest. And again, the smallest and the biggest. And again, smallest and the biggest. Again, smallest and the biggest. Again, again, and again. Smallest and the biggest. If you're left off with only one number, that's the median. Right? That's the number in the middle. If you, once again, if you only have one number, that's it. If you have two numbers, then get the average of the two, which basically means add the two numbers and divide it by 2. So if you only have one, that's it. But if you have two, add the numbers, divide by 2. Get the average of the two. So any questions up until 20? All right. Let's take a look at number 21. Find the mode. Yesterday I mentioned the mode looks like the word more, which means which number do you see more than anything else? Andrew, how are we doing? Paying attention to this? Let's actually pay attention to it now. I was born at night, but not last night. All right? Pay attention. So I'm looking at which number appears the most. That's basically what I'm looking at. I notice that 3 is 4 times. Seems to be a number that repeats a lot. But then I also notice that 5, it's also 4 times. I don't see any number that repeats the same amount or more. So in this case, there are 2 modes. 3 and 5. For mode, we could have more than one mode. And I'm looking for which number appears more than anything else. Looking at number 22, I notice that number 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 2s. There's no other number that appears the most or the same amount. So for number 22, the mode is 2. Number mode is which one appears the most. All right, any questions? One thing for the review from today, I wanted to have it separate. The mean first, then we did the median only, then we did the mode only. For tomorrow, for your quiz only has 6 questions, but I'm going to ask you all 3 per question. So like question number 1, I'll give you a list like today. I'll give you a list, and you give me the mean, median, and mode, all 3, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so today for the review, I kept it separate. Right, I was only asking for either the mean, medium, or mode, only one of the three. But for the quiz, I'm asking you for all three. Does that make sense? All right. Any questions?